Elstoff versus Shaw. Elstoff, of course, playing Apple. Remember the last time we saw Elstoff playing at Puma, it was Ramsey. Yeah, and that was the gettable matchup. So I had to put that voice for that one. Elstoff caught him with 3 ultras, losing it every round. To say the least, they struggled with the match, but the ultras absolutely destroyed the Kuma's health. In fact, for example, I think this ultra will kill him. Nice mix up there, and he got him. Elstoff done the ultra just a tad bit too early. Giving Shaw a chance to recover. Reach that head with a damn flip kick into a tap-tap combo. Tries to dash back and bait the this round. Don't punish those situations though. Strong rush down here for Kuma. Wow, I mean, does he realize how little health he has with this guy coming? He's going straight for the kill.
Can you predict the teleport? Can you predict the teleport and do ultimate?
Well, that's really hard to do. It has to be a prediction. Oh, Elstoff missed his ultra. That would have been game over for the Akuma player with a full charge ultra. Elstoff not going out with that fight. He's not letting him breathe. Here's let him jump too. He's gonna come and get the throw. Oh, he got him! That's trained by Glad, more appropriate now than ever before. Elstoff not falling for the fireball chip damage at all. The jump away fireball would have been safer, but whatever, time for the balance. Yeah, strong damage on that combo. Damage that does. No! He got him! Did too much damage, but put him in the pole position to win this. That's exactly what he's done. Shot with reversal demon. You saw that was supposed to be an ultra.